In this video, we'll create a new office from scratch. First, we need a free slot to store our new office. Since our existing free slot is already in use, we're going to purchase a new one. We'll purchase a slot that allows us to upload, analyze, and generate images. Image analysis is important if a candidate is a designer who needs to upload images of their designs. With image analysis capabilities, the system can understand the designer's contributions. Once we've purchased the new slot, we can select it to create a brand new office. Just remember to disable the AI generation option. When we enter the system, we can see that there's nothing in the scene. First, we'll do the bare minimum to get the simulation running. To do that, we need to place chairs and humans, assign the chairs to the humans, and place an exit door. With these basic elements, we can already run the simulation. The only thing that will happen is that there will be a lunch meeting, and everyone will leave the office by the end of the day. Now, we need to properly build the office the way we want it. Let's fast forward through the building process. Once the building is complete, let's define the areas. The working area, the meeting areas, the bathroom area, the lunch area. If we run the simulation again, the only difference is that employees will now go to the bathroom and meet in the kitchen for lunch. Next, let's create the groups. We're going to use a multimedia software development company as our profile, so we'll create the following groups: the producers, the programmers, the designers, the testers. Now we can assign each to their corresponding group by selecting them in the 3D scene. Once the assignment is complete, we can select a group, and its members will be highlighted in the 3D scene. Now it's time to create the sprint. But first, we'll define the project description. We select the project management option in the clock interface. Here, we can either define the project ourselves or let the AI suggest one. We're going to let the AI create a project description for us. Let's select a high-performance model to process the prompt and generate the results. Once we have the description for our new project, we can load it. Feel free to delete the default initial project if you don't need it. Now we can create the sprint based on the description of the loaded project. After the sprint creation process, we can check that the calendar has been filled with the kickoff meetings linked to each task. If we go to the task board, we can see that it has been automatically filled with the necessary tasks to complete the sprint. Finally, we can run the simulation with everything in place. The simulation will then proceed, completing meetings and tasks until the final completion of the sprint. If you want more information about how the simulation runs, please check out this other video.